On the day of Ram Navami, we saw Surya Tilak happening of Lord Ram's idol. I'm being joined by Nipendra Mishra, the chairman of Ram Mandir Construction Committee. Thank you so much, sir, for joining us. सर आई रिमेंबर द लास्ट टाइम ऑन प्राण प्रतिष्ठा ये सबसे ज़्यादा बात हो रही थी इस बारे में कि रामनवमी के दिन जो है मस्तक पर सूर्य की किरण गिरेगी. आज जब ऐसा हो गया तो आपको क्या कहना है इसके बारे में?
Well, there is a sense of satisfaction, and also we have to ensure that it recurs every year on this day.
So every year we will see this happening.
Yeah. In fact, let me reveal. This time we had to do, we meaning practically our scientists and Central Building Research Institute people, they had to readjust because the shikhar is not yet complete.
Okay.
When the shikhar gets completed, then the permanent aperture on shikhar will be made calculating the direction and the angle at which the sun rays come.
Okay.
This time we had to adjust little at a lower level because the shikhar construction is still in progress.
Okay.
So by next year it will be 100% foolproof. On a Ram Navami day, the sun rays will fall on the forehead of Lord.
Okay. Sir, talking about Shikhar, you were saying that Shikhar construction is yet to be completed. The remaining part of the temple is still going on the construction. What is the status? How it is going like? If you could just tell our viewers.
हम सभी ने ट्रस्ट ने निर्णय लिया था कि वर्ष 2023 में रामलला का मंदिर पूरा हो जाएगा. आपने स्वयं अपने दर्शकों को दिखाया है कि रामलला गर्भगृह में है. सभी मंडप जो ग्राउंड फ्लोर पे है वो पूरे हो गए हैं. अब प्रथम तल और द्वितीय तल का कार्य वर्तमान में है. एक बड़ी चुनौती है क्योंकि श्रद्धालु भी आ रहे हैं और हमें निर्माण कार्य भी पूरा करना है और हमारे लिए श्रद्धालुओं की सुरक्षा सबसे महत्वपूर्ण है. तो इस दृष्टि से आप सहमत होंगे कि जो आने वाला एक वर्ष 2024 है जिसमें हमें प्रथम तल और द्वितीय तल को पूर्ण करना है, वो चुनौती भरा तो है, लेकिन हम एक विश्वास के साथ कह सकते हैं कि हम उस दिशा में तिथियों के अनुसार बढ़ रहे हैं. प्रथम तल पे राम दरबार होना है, द्वितीय तल पे अनुष्ठान इत्यादि की व्यवस्था की जानी है और सभी तलों पर जो हमारे पिलर्स हैं जिनकी संख्या लगभग 390 पिलर्स हो जाएंगे, उन पर जो आइकोनोग्राफी का कार्य है वह पूर्ण किया जाना है. जो परकोटा है जो लगभग 1 किलोमीटर की लंबाई होगी अंत में, उसे पूर्ण करना है. तो ये चीज़ें निश्चित रूप से हम लोग एक दिशा में एक विश्वास के साथ, निष्ठा के साथ कार्य कर रहे हैं. सभी का सहयोग मिल रहा है और हम चाहेंगे या हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि जैसे वर्ष 2023 में हमने एक कार्य पूरा किया, तो वर्ष 2024 में हम इस कार्य को भी पूरा कर लें.
Sir, coming back to today's Ram Navami and Lord Ram's Surya Tilak that happened, I just want to ask whose idea was it? Where did it come from? Because of course this I don't think somebody has witnessed this kind of thing.
Well, this was entirely the idea of Prime Minister. Okay. In one of the conversations, Honorable Prime Minister was suggesting that while there is great deal of emphasis on the use of ancient technology for making this temple durable for about 1000 years, which of course is the expectation of everybody, of the nation and citizens in the country and outside. But he also said you must combine it with technology. And then one of such ideas, you see, he has a certain vision about technology. He is really extremely comfortable and very receptive to new technologies. So he said, why don't you talk to Central Building Research Institute, then CISR, that is the central body for research, scientific research. While he talked and I returned to my office, in about an hour's time, I got a call from Dr. Meade, who was the Director General of CISR, that he received a call from the Prime Minister that he should come and talk to me about this idea. So you can visualize the kind of follow-up that he does, but he does it from a distance. He doesn't interfere, he doesn't dictate, but he influences you in a manner that a sense of belief comes within you that what is possible, what is not possible.
Sir, I'll take one last question from you. We are seeing lakhs of devotees visiting every day. Leave it Ram Navami, every day we see thousands and lakhs of devotees visiting. So, what is the planning like? Will we see this kind of management in the time ahead also? Will there be a step up? What is going to be like?
Well, very frankly, I was expecting much more crowds today, the devotees. I'm told that there are 2-3 reasons. One reason, of course, is that the children schools have started. The second reason is the harvesting. And the third reason is the heat. So because of these 3 reasons, perhaps I would imagine and I would venture that what you see the crowd today is 50% of our expectation. So coming days, I think it will again pick up and the flow throughout the year will be in the range of every day in the range of 75,000 to 2 lakhs. There will be days when there will be 2 lakhs. When the adjoining districts would come, there will be days when people traveling by plane, by train and car, all those people will come. So there will be that kind of a range. But I think every citizen of this country, I have belief in that, he will at least like to visit once in this temple. The only challenge is, the least that he expects from us, from trust, from the district administration is, his trip should be comfortable. He should not be subjected to, extortionists who taxi-walas and things. He would like a very, very normal visit to the temple for the religious pursuit for which he wants to come to Ayodhya. मैं श्रद्धालुओं के प्रति साधुवाद व्यक्त करना चाहता हूँ आपके माध्यम से, क्योंकि उनके पास कोई शिकायत नहीं है. आपने बिल्कुल सही कहा कि वो बेचारे बिना चप्पल के धूप में गर्म ज़मीन पर सतह पर पैदल चल रहे हैं कुछ डिस्टेंस. ये उनकी सामान्य आदत नहीं है. लेकिन सबसे बड़ी बात यह है कि जब वो लौट करके आ रहे होते हैं और मैं प्रायः उनसे पूछता हूँ कि आपका अनुभव कैसा रहा, तो वो कहते हैं ये बहुत ही अच्छा. मैंने अगर कहा कि कोई तकलीफ़, तो कहते हैं भगवान के यहाँ जाने में तकलीफ़ क्या है. यह श्रद्धालुओं का विचार होता है. तो मैं उनको अपना साधुवाद सचमुच आपके माध्यम से पहुंचाना चाहता हूं कि वो यहाँ पर आ रहे हैं और हम लोगों की जिम्मेदारी बढ़ती है कि हम उनकी सुविधा का ध्यान रखें.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सर हमसे बात करने के लिए। तो ये थे नृपेंद्र मिश्रा, चेयरमैन ऑफ राम टेम्पल कंस्ट्रक्शन कमेटी। कैमरामैन वीरेंद्र कुमार सैनी के साथ प्रमोद श्रीवास्तव और तनिष पंजाबी, NDTV।